How to give permission to a virtual assistant on Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Go to your Monday.com workspace and click on your profile icon in the lower left corner. Choose Admin from the menu that appears. This will take you to the Admin section, where user settings and permissions can be managed. 2. In the Admin panel, select Users from the left-hand menu. Here, you can see all members, pending invites, and guests who have access to your workspace. 3. Click on Invite Members and enter the email address of your virtual assistant. You can also include a message if needed. Make sure to double-check the email before sending the invite. 4. When choosing the user type, select either guest or member, depending on the level of access you want them to have. Members have full access, while guests can only access specific boards. 5. After the assistant accepts the invitation, go to the boards they need access to and click Share at the top right. Search their name or email, then assign their board role. 6. Use the permissions. Tab inside each board to restrict or allow actions like editing columns, moving tasks, or creating new items. This ensures the assistant works within your boundaries. 7. Finally, or asking your assistant to confirm what they can see and do. Adjust permissions accordingly for an optimized workflow.